Yeah, hello and good evening. On behalf of Murrelektronik, I welcome all our customers to this Automation Expo South. It is in Chennai basically, and it is from 12th to 14th of March 2026. We Murrelektronik actually we are specialized into decentralized automation, and with our vast experience of almost with the 50 years, we are into market and we are catering the automotive industry, metal handling industry, and food and beverages industries basically. With our products like decentralized automation, cabling solution, interfacing product, we are catering to various of segments of our customers. And this exhibitions is really useful for the customers who are into automation and finding out the new solution for their application. We invite them, come here. We are there on the booth number A13 and 14. Please come to our booth and have a hands-on experience on our wide range of products. All the best for Automation Expo, and this show is going to be really useful for a lot of customers.